This video is about one clarification that I want to make from my, from my one of the slides that I discussed in my earlier lecture. So, if you recall, what I was trying to say in that lecture was that somewhere we are actually trying to approximate this with the transition probability which is given over here, because we are actually given this particular joint probability. So what we were saying is we were trying to approximate this transition probability with the this, and we were trying to neglect this factor, and we were saying something about it. So I wanted to clarify here one thing. This factor is okay, and there is no approximation required as far as this particular transition probability is concerned. Last time what we were saying is we will approximate this with this, but it's not right actually. So the important distinction that comes into play is because of this expectation which you are taking with respect to what. Here, if you recall, we are taking expectation with respect to S and S prime. But now if you look at the Bellman equation for the Markov reward process, which is over here, then you can see here we are taking expectation with respect to S here, not with respect to S and S prime. So if we are not taking with respect to S and S prime, then obviously this particular thing will hold, and this is nothing but it's basically R of S, and it's not R of S comma S prime. So if this is R of S, then from here this equation will hold, and not this equation which is this one. So please recall that because of the expectation that you are taking in the very beginning with respect to S is what is actually making the difference. If you were taking the expectation with respect to S and S prime here, then this expectation will be here S and S prime, and then you can replace that particular expectation with this expression which is over here. But right now this factor is missing, and the reason for that is we are actually doing expectation with respect to S and not S comma S prime. So that is important. Actually I missed it, sorry for that. So this is a clarification video for that. Thank you.